Hey guys, so now we're going to eat Brain Blasters, Sour Candy,
And ito next,
Warheads.
Warheads.
Yes. No reaction challenge.
Oh, no reaction
No
challenge.
reaction challenge. Kayo
Oh,
eat
it's
ano.
no reaction
You have to do
challenge.
like,
Don't.
you can go like, okay.
And you choose. It's just there. It's only 3 flavors. Choose.
I want the blue.
Okay, tanong ko na.
Apple, lemon.
Akin yung apple. Ano? Oh, bukas.
Syrup eh.
We'll eat together stay ah. You have to wait.
Tuwi sabay.
This is really fun.
Puno ako yung lemon.
Oh, hold it lang. Don't eat it yet.
Saan yun na?
Sino ka?
Oh,
Go
buwan.
again. Okay. 1.
Okay. No reaction ah.
Oh, yeah. No reactions kaya.
30 seconds pagka forward na niya.
No. 1, 2, 3,
Go.
go.
Nura!
Why? Sour? Ha? Kapatid eh. Wait it na.
Ang dura.
My jaws are hurting.
Ha? Sour? You need water or not?
So, my jaws hurt.
Really sour?
Sabi?
Just try the warhead.
I think this is resource. It says here
Sikat po yun.
extreme. Yeah. Extreme sour.
My jaws are hurting.
So I'll open.
Yung syrup. Uy,
Merong, yun to,
lemon.
6, ay 7.
Watermelon, tatlong lemon, tapos
Tatlong apple.
walang blueberry. Walang blueberry.
Get your
They want.
there.
Which one do you want?
Watermelon. This is
Yung tatlo na siya eh. Ah.
Kinagat niya na ba?
Ang good this sa ano to, lemon. Kasi flavor
May sweet na nga
type.
po ako.
hmm?
Watermelon. Kuha kaya po tayong tubig.
Acid.
Ano po yung ano niya? Yung mismong time di ata po yung sour. Kasi ito po, sour lang po dahil sa ano eh. May pulbos po siya sa labas.
Did you open it na? Yung sa'yo, buksan mo na. Ano nga mo?
Ganun din pa. Apple lang.
Oh, lemon. Kaya about yours? Let me see.
Water.
Oh, you get it now.
Okay. Show it, show it.
Okay, show it.
Apple,
Next.
lemon, watermelon.
Oh, Warhead
40.
Extreme sour.
Tingnan natin.
Game?
25,
Go.
25. Go.
Go.
No reaction. Hindi niya talaga kaya.
You can handle it.
Hindi siya po kasing lalaki ngayon.
Eh,
Ang lasa. Ah!
Hindi siya po kasing lasa ng Brain
Paano
Blasters.
to? Mas... Ang sour siya.
Mas malala po ito.
Ito? Oo.
Ito parang may pag... Ayos naman.
Pero maganda next time try natin yung ibang ganito. Kuha tayo ng mga sour ano.
Ganda kunin po natin yung,
Masarap.
yung ano po natin, yung spicy. Lemon hot.
Next time try natin. Yun lang, next time.
Wala eh.
Okay.
That's all.